My love, good morning. Can you please close the gate? Are you gonna go back? Huh? Kakababa lang natin, Ben. Come on. Hi? Say, flying kiss. Give me a flying kiss. Oh, come on. Mama will prepare breakfast for you. No? Yes? Okay. Move. Go down, go down, go down. Down. Down na. Okay, close the gate. Close, close. Push, push, push. Yay. So, let's go here. Mama will prepare breakfast, okay, Isabel? Good morning again. La, no, La. It's dangerous, my love. These are Papa's tools. Yeah, here all Papa's tools are there. We need to close it, okay? So, tulog na si Bella at magbibihis na ako kasi mag-grocery ako kasama yung lolo niya. So, see you sa grocery store. Nagising ang bata kasi maingay ang mga worker natin sa baba. Where do you want to go? Huh? Mama? Where do you want to go, La? Ay, gusto mo namang laro namin. Ah, okay. Can we comb your hair? Let's comb your hair. Wow! Look, everyone, I woke up. Sobrang bilis lang ng nap ng bata natin. Let's comb your hair. What do you want to do? Huh? Can Mama put sunscreen? Because Mama will go to the grocery store. Can I? Look off. Mama is putting sunscreen. The sunscreen is from Celotex. It costs only, I think, 200 plus. So, affordable now. Affordable for this summer, guys. Okay, what do you want to do? Okay, Mama will just stand up na. You know, marami aking upuan. I want to do eyebrows. You want to do your eyebrows na? Big. Okay, I'll do it for you. So, tinitingnan niya ako kasi dati na nagaganito ako. Kasi kinokopya niya na, guys. Oh my gosh. Finish? Can I finish putting sunscreen on my face, love? I need to comb your hair. Oh, your hair is messy. Okay. So, this is how I look, guys. Careful. Okay, just here, here. Not on your eyes. Let's just pretend na nilalagyan natin kasi. Iyak siya pag pag hindi ko siya ginaganito. How many pencils do you need? Hindi siya na parami ang ating sunscreen. Wait. What's that? How you put your eye pencil. Here, this one lang, And Mama, sit down. Okay. Di pa tapos ang ating sunscreen. Careful, careful. Okay, let me do it. Let me brush your eyebrows. Ang puti na ating Okay, move. Okay. Ano pang kukunin mo, Belle? What else do you want to get? Look at Mama's face also white because we need to put sunscreen, right? Yeah. If we don't put sunscreen, we will look old. And for you. Na 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 na. Okay? Done? Okay. Tapos na ako maglagay ng sunscreen. Okay, look at Mama Lao. Look how I put eyebrows. Anong kulay nito? Gosh, kailangan natin ng sharpener. Oh, Mama's just pretending, okay? I don't have a mirror, so I'll use the camera, my love. No, not. Hold on. I'm on my way. What else? Brush? Hair brush. Oh. Wow, look at your face, La. Can Mama sit down? Paupo naman din. Paupo, please. Yay! Tapos talaga ako nito. Okay, let me put my eyebrows. Wow! Put it on your legs. Put it on your legs. On your knee. Gosh, ang puti. Wait lang. I need to put... Wait. Ano nangyayari sa ating, bell? Okay. This is the reality now. Where did you get this lipstick? This is from L'Oreal with the shade of Lee Wood Roulette. Number 339. Ang ganda ng kulay nito, ganda. Okay, ano pang kukunin mo? Okay. Hindi na tayo nakapagawa ng nails, Belle. Okay, so hindi siya natulog ng mahaba. Sobrang energetic ako. Sobrang short lang ng nap. Usually kasi mga 1 hour, 2 hours eh. 30 minutes lang ngayon. What else? Eyeshadow! Kailangan po eyeshadow. No, mama. Punta ka lang ng grocery, mag-eyeshadow ka? Oh my God, hindi natapos ang aking. Okay. You'll get dirty if you touch this. Just look. Wow, different colors lah. Oh no! Where are you gonna put it? Don't have a tissue. Okay, let me get a tissue. Wala tayong tissue lah. Okay, mama will get a tissue. Can I get a tissue, my love? Okay, mama, wala kang tissue. Okay, move closer. Closer to the table so that it won't fall. Stay there. Here's the tissue, madam. Okay, let me clean your hands. Oh, help me. I need to finish my makeup. I need to go soon. Not on your eyes. Not on your... Here only, on here. Oh, that's my daughter. Look, mama. Look, mama. I need to brush that. Brush. Here, okay, Nathan. We're done! Yay! We're done! We're done. Last one, I'm using Vaseline for my lips. Okay guys, see you later. Alis muna ako. Thank you pa.
So, boss.
So guys, maglilipat muna ako ng mga pinamili ko. Just watch and enjoy. Dili ka sa kaunta. Oh, ay ka. Ha? Atas ang sasakyan. Bella's milk. Kakabili lang natin kasi naubusan na tayo ng milk kaninang umaga. And I also bought vitamins for Bella. Kailangan din ng ferrous at vitamin C with zinc. Ito kasi yung ina-advise ng doctor. Kailangan may zinc yung vitamins niya. Okay guys, so bumili din kami ng ng banana. We love to eat banana. And ito din yung gustong snacks ni ni Bella. And croissant for Jenny's breakfast. At salmon.
Nilalagay ko siya sa ano, sa croissant na may egg. Bumili akong dalawa kasi para ano, may stock tayo pag naubos na isa. So, here is spinach, avocado, kasi ito yung favorite ng asawa kong kainin. Pag may narinig kayong maingay sa video, guys, ano yan? Mga nagtatrabaho sa likod kasi ginagawa pa tayong construction, hindi pa tapos. So, I think in 3 weeks, sana matapos na siya. So, bumili tayo ng onions kasi wala tayong onions. Tsaka nag-request si Janya na dapat yung onions na bibilhin ko ay malalaki. Para hindi daw siya mahirapang mag-slice. Tapos ito, Knorr. Favorite ko kasi ilagay siya sa kahit anong food. Like, fried rice, egg, like ampalaya. So, ito yung mga nabili ko. Para sa maca blanca at spaghetti ni mama kasi birthday niya sa Sunday. Yan. Nabili tayo ng maraming. Tapos, like cream. Ito. Corned beef for my breakfast. Ito para to kay Jenya. Dark chocolate. Babe, eat your food na. Okay, guys. So, Bella's time! She woke up. Nakakain na din ng lunch and it's time for us to chill. Right, La? Say yes! Yes!